In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your workspace in Clickup. By the end, you'll have a faster, cleaner setup that supports real work instead of getting in the way. Start by tightening your structure. ClickUp works best with a clear hierarchy. Your workspace at the top, then spaces for departments, folders for projects, lists for task groups, and finally tasks for the actual work. Keep spaces lean. 3 to 6 is usually the sweet spot. For example, you might have a marketing space, a campaigns folder, an April launch list, and tasks like ads, content, and design. This keeps everything predictable and easy to find. Next, clean up custom fields. Too many fields create clutter and slow the interface. Keep only the essentials you use consistently. Status, priority, and due date are the usual anchors. Remove anything you haven't touched recently and use the same field names across lists so sorting and reporting stay consistent. A helpful gut check is to ask, do I actually use this weekly? Choose the right views and ignore the rest. List view is great for daily task management. Board view is perfect for Kanban-style workflows, and calendar view makes deadlines obvious. Avoid stacking 10 or more views on a single list. Each one adds noise and load time. Automate repetitive work to save clicks. Use simple if this, then that rules. When a task is marked done, move it to an archive. When a task is assigned, set a due date. When a status changes, notify the team. Small automations compound into big-time savings. Create task templates so you're not reinventing the wheel. Templates for content posts, projects, and checklists make handoffs smoother. A blog post template might include research, draft, edit, and publish, so every run follows the same proven steps. Simplify statuses. 4 to 6 is plenty. To do, in progress, review, and done cover most workflows without causing confusion. Use Click apps wisely. Turn on only what you need, like time tracking, dependencies, or sprints for development work, and disable the rest. Fewer toggles mean faster performance. Master filters and search to cut through the noise. Filter for items assigned to you, due this week, or marked high priority, and save those views for quick access. Build a simple dashboard as your control center. Include tasks due today, overdue items, a workload chart, and project progress, and keep it minimal so it stays fast. For speed, archive old tasks and lists, limit open tabs, avoid heavy dashboards, and use favorites for quick access. A strong baseline is 4 spaces max, 1 to 3 folders per space, 3 to 5 lists per folder, 4 statuses, and 3 core views. For a smooth daily rhythm, check your dashboard in the morning, work from list view during the day, collaborate in board view with your team, and plan in calendar.